Okay, this is one of those coolest gadgets that you're gonna get. As a compressor for your car, jump starter, and charger for other devices. This is a power bank and everything. It has an LED flashlight on it and all that. I am a huge fan of these multi-purpose tools for the cars. Just, a personal thing that I like. And we'll dive into it and check what's going on first. Then we'll go to the car, of course. Ooh, nice hard case, nothing else in the box. And I like when they give this case because it's easy to store it in the car. So let's see, what side should we start on? And looks like here. Oh, nice. Okay, this is the S4 jump starter. We'll put this on the side. Certificate, nice. And then we have the compressor tube here. I love these, that you don't need to spin anything. You just put it on the stem and that's it. Okay, we're gonna try it outside, obviously. And then we have the gator clamps for the battery charging or jump start. And this is something else. Oh yeah, these are the attachments for different tire stamps and all that good stuff. Then we have the unit. Ooh, this is definitely a unit. USB-C to C charging cable right here. Nice. And this is feeling good. It has some real weight to it. This thing has some weight. And let's see if we peel this, what happens. Nice, beautiful. Okay, this is the solar panel, function buttons, JIYHF. On the side, looks like we have one here and one here for air. And then on the back, we have the beauty of it. Let me show you something you don't see every day on these multi-functional thingies. This here is a multi-charging USB cable. They thought about everything. You have a lightning port, you have a USB-C, and a micro USB charger. How that works? Absolutely beautiful. You just plug it here like this, and now you have the charger ready to go. I mean, come on. And in this side is where you insert the starter part or jump starter. Like this, we grab this. It has protection and those things on it built in. Looks like we have, it doesn't let you put it the wrong way if you want it to. That's nice. And as you see, we have the light going on here, and we can start it in here if we wanted to. Let me just hold it. Boom. Now we can start all different functions, but for the jump starter, as you saw, you can just put this in. You don't even need to do anything here. You can rotate through inflating what's considered a playing ball, like a basketball, bicycle tire, motorbike tire, car tire, or small car tire and big car tire. But for example, let's say go to the car tire ride. I do my car tires 33 psi. You can do this by changing the numbers to 33 psi. 33, and that's it. And you are ready to go. And if you want to go, let's say right here, let me take this out, because as we saw, this one works directly. You don't need to press buttons and all that. Stays active. If you want to start, for example, inflating a car tire, you have to attach this first, of course. Makes sense. Just like this. And make sure it's gripping good. And you just press the power button. Like that. And it starts inflating. It's that easy. But we're not at the car right now, so I'm going to take it out real quick. And we'll try the flashlight. That's here on the back, and just hold this flashlight button and it will turn on, and that's it. But I'm really a fan of this. This thing is so cool. Let me turn off this device itself first, just like that, and see if that remains operative without turning on the screen. So I have all kinds of devices here. This takes lightning port, this takes micro USB, and this takes USB-C. Let's do one by one. Let's start with the micro USB, I guess, at this point. Yep, it actually starts charging on micro USB. Okay, and how about USB-C? Right here. Yep, it starts charging right away on USB-C. So the ports are active. You don't need to turn it on unless you turn it on for the inflator. That's it. And now we have to try the lightning port really quick, and it turned on for charging. That's it. What else do you need in life? It does everything that you ever wanted. Now, all is left to do with it is try it on an actual car to inflate the tire and possibly jumpstart the car. I'll switch the battery that I have on my car and put an older battery that I know doesn't work, doesn't turn on that car, and we'll see if it turns it on with this thing. And this solar, I'm a big fan. Just to have it for emergency, that is great. So this has everything. It's like one of those one-stop shop devices that you just buy one and you have it all. That's it. Let's go to the car and see what's popping. Let's just say that with this tire, you are not going anywhere at all. So let's see if we can inflate it. I mean, that's what we're here for, right? So let's take a quick look what can be done here. And the tire is fully inflated. We are done. We can just take the thing out of here now. And it's charging while we're doing all this. We can turn it off. Yep, there's a solar sign. I'm not sure if the camera is catching, but there's a solar sign there. That's really cool. And you turn it off like that, and the solar sign still remains. Let's see if this can start the car now after inflating the tire. Right here. As you see, if I can put them the right way. I put one right here. And the other one right here. And there's a light on. I'm not sure if you can see it. Green and red. And now we're ready to plug it. And just like that, we're just gonna plug it on this device and start the car. Should be good now. And it's doing the pulsating colors. And that's it. I'm gonna go crank up the car and see where that goes. Disconnect these whenever you can to make sure that you don't overdo anything here, and cover the terminal again, and that's it. That's all it took. Literally just crank it right away, and the battery is actually fully charged from the solar. That's the coolest part of it. The battery, I'm not sure if the camera will see it, but it's there and it says fully charged. Somewhere. Yep, right there. Literally just from the solar. You can't make this up now. And that's it. I'm gonna store it in the car, and I would say 1,000,000%. 1,000,000% this is worth it. You saw it yourself. This is a V6 engine, and it cranked it like it's nothing. That's perfect.